So this is a continuation of my Helvellyn horseshoe video. I bitched out basically on the last 3 mountains. I didn't have the dog. I was already kind of injured with my ankle. So today I'm back and we're going to go finish these last 3. So it's Birks and St Sunday. See how we get on. That handsome mountain in the distance is St Sunday Crag. What a handsome beast that is. And over here is obviously the Helvellyn range, which I did a couple of videos ago. St Sunday Crag done. We're now on our way to Birks, which thankfully, which is just there. My little boy left some Haribo in the car the other day. Sucks to be him. So with a mouthful of Haribo, we're ready to top of Birks. There it is, right there. Nice and easy actually, in fairness. Not too taxing at all. Loch. This is Birks. Or it was Birks. Got quite a nice view in fairness. Dove Crag, which we did not too long ago. St Sunday Crag, which we've just finished. Dolly Wagon Pike, or Dolly Mixture Pike as I like to call it. Helvellyn obviously in the distance. Yeah, bloody good view from up here. I know, it's a hot day, bless you. Come on. Arnison Crag might only be a little one, it's 433 metres. But how handsome is that? Looks like I'm climbing Ben Nevis. Loch. So that's us finished the 3. All there is to do now is to head back to the car. But I think we'll pop to Ullswater as well, since we're looking right at it and he's pagged, so it'll be quite nice to get him into some fresh cold water. What a view we've got here though. Absolutely stunning. So as Loch cools off in Ullswater, I just want to say thank you for watching. It's been a bit of a journey today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers guys, bye bye.